I know when I first met Pabano, when he was swearing at Nahalakura Boys. So this was the recording of their album. So Nahalakura Boys came third in the string band competition in Club Raro. At the same time it was Motutapu Boys as well. But because of my two older brothers who are ministers now, they were in their band, Nahalakura. And I followed them 2 nights to Pare Road to record their first album. And that's where I first met Pabano. Yeah, swearing. But I'm laughing because, oh, this guy's swearing to my brothers. To my older brothers. And my older brothers are just sitting there like that. Man, he's swearing out. And I'm laughing because I'm like, yeah, good on you. So, yeah, that's the first time I met. Yeah, that's when I first met Pabano. Oh, before my graduation. Yeah, I was only a little kid. Yeah, 16 years old. Graduated from Te Wānanga o Aotearoa. I was doing diploma in contemporary music. No lies. I just heard of him and I wanted to be like him. Just pushing the music. So he heard that I graduated and there was one time we met up and he asked me if I graduated and I said, oh yes. He said, oh, good on you. So before the bands, I was in a band called Lost in Harmonies. That was recorded by Thomas Piru. But before that, we didn't have an album and we actually went through Vaimutu. But his Pabano's, yeah, that's right, yeah, Lost in Harmonies, 2004. When he heard us sing, he saw the band, or not a band, he saw the African group called the Black Mombasa from South Africa. So when he heard us sing, the way that we sang reminded him of that group. And straight away his image was, I want a Cook Island group like that. Exactly like that. And he told us, yous bring out that group. And yous will be so unique if yous do. So he gave us a shot at the Pare Road, where Vaimutu. As I was mentioning about that Black Mombasa group, so the image he had for Savaiki now, that was exactly what he wanted for the group that I was talking about, the Lost in Harmonies. That's what he saw. Yeah, Pabano. A lot of negative things that's happened between me and him. Too many positive stuff, too many highs. But the negative things I talk about is more of me towards him, rather him towards me. He put his trust in me one time, and I'm gonna say it, I wanna tell the truth, especially being an Apianga minister. But yeah, he put his trust in me, and one time he gave some money, and I held it, no lies, and I spent that all. And that was supposed to be for something. And that's the negative things that I talk about, I want to talk about. So after I spent, I didn't know how to talk to him, how to speak to him. I think it was just the fear of losing his trust. So I stayed away for like 2 weeks and he's ringing me. Yeah, and then, no, I just couldn't. So I had to face him and told him to his face that I spent the money and I'm waiting for it. And he just said, you could have just told me that. I would have just said, it's okay. And I'm like, man, you know, my heart was pounding, my head was sore, I couldn't face you, and that's all you can say? It's okay. Money's money. It comes, it goes. And from that time, this is how we got closer and closer, and I told him, you'll never see that again from me. I promise you, wherever you need me, I will be. And the way, and I know some of the people, some of the crew that's in our in our crew, they can see it as well, that he really treats me as like I'm the second son. Sometimes he kind of forgets Jerome and he puts me like I'm his son, because every time I want anything, he says, you're getting it. And no lies, he's helped me a lot. On my downfall times, relationship-wise, he's been there. Yeah, not forgetting about Vai 85 as well, he formed that. Vai 85, my partner then, Puso. There's a lot of things happening in my life that he kind of smoothed it, he made it smooth. Yeah, he made Puso to who she is now. And I think she will agree too, because she wasn't into it as well. Until we recorded Roi Mata de Sekani. That's one of my songs to compose for Vai 85. And after speaking with Bossman, Puso did that song. But yeah, I can always rely on the old man, even in Takamo. I think just last year, oh no, just before Christmas, I called him for some ink for printing. And he goes, yeah, don't worry, it's going to be there. Kutia's coming and he's going to bring it to you. Sure enough, Kutia brought the ink for my prints. But yeah, I could go on and on there. I don't want to sit here and cry. I'll say he's the godfather of Cook Islands music, to me. Yeah, there's other people out there saying that, nah, I started first. It doesn't matter who started first. It's the push that was behind it. And his vision was always about Cook Islands music and no one else. Nothing else. It was never, yes, I know about the money, but it was never. It was more for the future. It was more for the kids. See, my daughter knows all my songs, so she can go on the laptop and look at. But we didn't have internet back then, and the only guy that was pushing Cook Islands music was through Pabano. So I reckon, yeah, godfather of Cook Islands music. And yet he doesn't sing. He doesn't sing, he just knows what he's doing. Yeah. Oh, that's what I'll put him as, the godfather of Cook Islands music. Tika kau tu aloa ke no ho ke rotoi tona buku atu.